Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial of SiteGround. My name is Mauricio and today I will help you solve the problem too many redirects. Let's begin. In order to understand this problem, let's take a look at this tiny example. Let's suppose that a user requests the website called yoursite.com. This request goes to the server and WordPress says that this site is now called yournewsite.com, so redirects to the new URL. The problem comes when the request is redirected again to the original URL, finishing in an infinite loop. Is there when we receive the error too many redirects. But that's not only the reason. Here are the most common issues that can cause this too many redirects error. Outdated cookies, problems with some redirection plugins, wrong rule in the htaccess file, or misconfiguration in Cloudflare settings. So how can we solve this? Do a full backup of all your files. Before applying any changes to your website, we recommend you to make a backup of all your files and databases using our backup tool in SiteTools. To do that, I recommend you to watch our full video called How to Manage My Backups in SiteGround SiteTools that you can find clicking in the upper right corner of this video or find the link in the description below. First, let's try deleting the cookies in our browsers. These steps may vary depending on the browser you are using. For Chrome users, for example, go to Settings and click the Clear Browsing Data button. Also, if you are using a memcached from our super cacher services, you will have to flush the cache from the server as well. To do that, go to SiteTools, Speed, Caching. Then click the Memcache tab and in the Action Zone, click the Flash Cache icon. There are 4 ways to deactivate WordPress plugins. In the WordPress admin area, editing the database, using WP CLI, or renaming the folders but as a last resort. Each one of these techniques has its own steps to follow. That's why I recommend you to watch the video How to Deactivate Plugins in WordPress, clicking in the card in the upper right corner, or you can also find the link in the description of this video. Once you have deactivated all the plugins, check if the error persists. Otherwise, activate them back and search for new solutions. Other solution is to check for wrong rules in the htaccess file. To do that, we will overwrite this file with the WordPress basic rules, but keep in mind that any custom options added manually or by any plugin will be lost. First of all, go to the root of your website in the File Manager tool and right-click the htaccess file. Then select Rename. At the end, add the word old to keep a backup of this file. Confirm to save the changes and let's create a new file called htaccess. Then go to that file and right-click to edit its content. In a new tab, paste this URL in order to grab the WordPress basic rules for this new file. Copy, paste and save these new values. Once you save the file, check if the error persists. Otherwise, let's continue once again with another option. The website's URL configuration with the combination of the Cloudflare settings can also cause this issue. Cloudflare's SSL support settings need to be adjusted according to the URL scheme that the website is using. In order to check this value, go to your SiteTools and click Cloudflare under the Speed menu. Search for the SSL support option and make sure it's marked as full. Finally, check your website once again to see if the problem is solved. I hope this video helped you to solve the problem. If so, consider subscribing to our channel to learn more about our tools and much more content we have prepared for you. Thank you and good luck.